My name is David Bounds, and this is my wife, Michelle Bounds. I suffered from severe back pain for many years, since late high school. Ended up with a couple of herniated discs, something called stenosis, which is a narrowing of the pathway for the spine, which pinches nerves and creates a great deal of pain. So I'm dealing with a lot of pain for a lot of years. My wife is involved with several groups, and one of them deals with Satori, and so she mentioned the whole process to me.
NPR developed the program for Satori, but it was exactly what he needed.
For me, the main incentive was financial, because I wouldn't have to pay a deductible, no out-of-pocket whatsoever. Satori actually not only paid all my bills, but they flew Michelle and I to Monterrey, Mexico, round trip.
And the grounds around the hospital were beautiful. Palm trees, cacti. There was a huge plaza that we could walk all around, beautiful fountains and pool, and so that was a nice time to recover. It aided, I think, in helping us to stay calm and relaxed because our surroundings were so nice.
The staff was very attentive. I was really impressed with the hospital. And we did a lot of research to find out, make sure that the medical care would be at least comparable to what I'd get in the U.S. And I honestly ended up feeling it was better. It took place December of 2013. Fusion of two of my vertebrae. They installed 2 titanium rods and 6 screws. It's a fusion that's taken place. The orthopedic surgeon was Dr. Salazar, and there was a neurosurgeon, Benevenute was his name. And they were both, I think they did excellent work. I was very impressed with the doctors.
The fact that he had an orthopedic surgeon and a neurologist that were going to be a part of the procedure was what really helped us make our decision. In the end, it was more beneficial than we could have ever known. His surgery took longer because he actually has very dense bones. And the orthopedic surgeon and the neurologist were able to work together to solve that problem. In America, I think he would have had an orthopedic surgeon, and that would have been it. With the difficulties that he had, it made me feel so much better and more confident that he had both of those surgeons working at the same time. We received no bills at all. Satori took care of all of that for us.
I am 14 months out and very glad that I had it. Those first few weeks were very difficult, but it gradually eased up. I got into physical therapy. That helped a lot, and I am now very active. I play golf on a regular basis. I do a lot of walking. My job requires lifting, and I do a fair amount of lifting. And you know, I look back 14 months later, am I glad I did it? Absolutely.
You were walking, though, with just within 3 or 4 days after the surgery.
I needed help in a way I never needed it before. So it was a unique experience, but it was a good experience. Everything just went very smoothly. They handled everything, the travel arrangements, every step of the way. They took care of it, and I came back with money in my pocket, so can't beat that, and a fixed back.